Yeah, there you go. Mop with it. Oh, he must just didn't close it. They didn't put it back on the track. Damn. I was just right there. Yeah, why he just driving over it? What's up from New York? Hey! Look out. We got a lot of people in here. Damn, he left a lot of water. Somebody down there. Let's go down there with them. They crunk. Look out, look out. Oh, damn, he just switched lanes, y'all. He's finna turn this motherfucker up now. Damn. What y'all think now? Look out, y'all on my YouTube channel. Oh, I gave you one, and I done gave y'all one. Yeah, I'm clear. Okay. He came over here to this lane now, y'all. Y'all think he finna make a full pass this time? Dayton, Texas here. Pass, hit the right. There you go, y'all. Gonna do it. Oh, he already ain't. Yeah, he gotta spin on tires. Ooh, the way he went in reverse, that was a little aggressive. There's some water in there. He just need to spin him over in that motherfucker. There's water in there. Man, listen. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Spot. Hold that bitch. That ain't hot enough. That ain't gonna get it. Now that yellow. He gonna have to. Yeah, he gotta do it one more time. He gonna have to keep it. Them brakes ain't holding. He can't. Them front brakes ain't holding. So they need a proportional valve or something. That thing is trying to not letting them sit in one spot and do a burnout. Come on, baby, please. Why he can't? Well, I don't know. Look, if you got a check, that ain't enough. And then you got a turbo Mustang, you don't want to send you out there. You at Yello Belly with a turbo Mustang and over 1,000 horsepower with 20% hot tire. Not good, just not good. It's just not good. You gotta at least get 80%. Gotta at least get 80%. Well, y'all, let's see what he gonna do. I ain't even see if y'all said full passing out over here on TikTok. TikTok, what y'all going? Full pass or no full? Okay, here we go. Here we go, y'all. Ooh, don't cut up. Boy, I'm scared of that one. Let me see. Yeah, boy, I'm scared now. I'm scared. The trans brake. That was something with the trans. Oh, yeah. Let's. Oh, he kind of in a rush, y'all. Dang, I wish he was more calm. He ain't that calm, y'all. He a little bit too jittery. He ain't just cool with it. You can tell. He just needs to just take his time, get him a deep breath, you know, calm down, hold it down. Damn. My bad, y'all, for the people watching on YouTube. Shit, I accidentally, I don't even know. Oh, I accidentally, dang. I know he in there hot, sweating, got that helmet on. He been in there too long. Somebody say that's too much car for him. I don't know. Yeah, he probably need to go straight motor. They should build him something on the motor. Just let him regular punch the gas to the flow. He gonna be all right. Yeah, he scared me out here. I done accidentally pressed the damn button. He scared me. Huh? I was trying to record him, y'all, and accidentally, hell, he done scared me for I done got shaken and accidentally tapped the screen 2 times. Yeah, I thought it was. I'm showing y'all what we got left in the staging lane. Got a Mustang, he got some tires on it. He got some tires on it. Ooh, he got an ECU in there. Got this little Supra. You been working that Supra, I see, man. Yeah. You on my YouTube channel, ain't you?
Yeah, I am. I've been
there. Okay.
I see you.
Already. Yeah, he already subscribed, y'all. I see you done woke this little Supra up, man. Yeah, I see you got a little tune on it or something, man. That turbo kicking in when you go to second gear. Oh, it's on E85 now? Okay, he got that E85 on there, y'all. Yeah, it's working good. I see it working. I got my car over here in the staging lane, y'all. Hey, we got this up here. Okay. Just showing y'all what's up in here real quick. Look out. We got Dallas Muscle Car in the building. Got the Hot Wheels in here. Y'all know what it is. He needs some milk. Uh-oh, he's stealing. Oh, no, he ain't. Okay, that's enough. Y'all see what it is. Let me see. Let me make sure they on my YouTube channel. Look out, you on my YouTube channel? There you go. Look out. You on my YouTube channel? Yes, sir. I know.